Everyone, this is the process from white gray cloth to finished cloth. Step 1. The workers open and seam the gray cloth. Step 2. Singeing. This is the singeing machine. You see, this is the singeing process. Step 3. Put the gray cloth into the machine cylinder, and the cloth will be crisp when it comes out. So it must go to the next step called opening width, and then it becomes a semi-finished product. Step 4. It is shaped and dried and rolled into a vat. I'll show you the vat. This big one, look. That is semi-bleached and valorized. The next process is to pour the shaped semi-finished product to the printing machine for printing, and then steam it, which can make the printing firmer on the fabric. Finally, it is washed with water, then opened and dried. I'll show you the washing machine. First, the cold water washing machine. Let me see. The second part is the warm water washing machine. Yeah, you see? Then it comes out the dry cloth. Here we get the finished product, and it is shaped to make the fabric softer and the color fastness becomes to a higher degree. At last, before shipment, the inspector will inspect each meter cloth, and the conified fabric will be packed in rolls and sent to customers. You see, the workers are inspecting. Welcome to contact me if you are interested in purchasing clothes from China. I will provide you products with good quality and competitive price. Here's my email, WeChat, and Tel, waiting for you. Thanks for viewing and listening.